So welcome back to the latest in my collection of classic cars.
And another. S.
Should we just go to Cydweli Castle?
No.
A.
Well,
And another.
what if I told you that parts of the castle were over 800 years old and it was used as a location for the film Monty Python and the Holy Grail?
Not interested, mate.
Well, what if I told you that Kidwelly is the site of the famous battle between the Normans and local Welsh rebels?
No, I'm chillaxing.
Yeah, but it says here that local Welsh rebels were led by Gwen, a warrior princess who rose up against Norman invader Lord Maurice de Lond, whilst her brother Owain Gwynedd joined forces with her husband Griffith ap Rhys, and they swept across western Wales, driving the Normans from their land. Corky, Cydweli's only an hour in the car.
No.
Gwen was beheaded, Corky. A Welsh warrior princess was beheaded by the French.
He's well in the lead.
In Kidwelly.
The train's
Imagine
coming
that.
back on him now. He needs to...
I am Gwen, warrior princess. You were lucky you were behind those big massive doors, modesty Londres. Otherwise, I'd be in there. I'd be in there sorting you out. I'm a warrior princess. Oh, what are you doing now?
Live Welsh history through your imagination. Visit cadw.cymru.gov.uk to find an amazing site near you.